Tools and twisties, precision tools and performance cars. Hey, Harbor Freight has great sales, and I know my viewers really love it when they have a great 40% off or some fantastic deal. But since the beginning of the year, there really haven't been very many good sales. There was the parking lot sale that just ended. They have some new coupons out. They're all pretty hum-ho, pretty average sales. And I thought I would do a video outlining some Icon tools that I think are worth buying even at full price. Really high quality tools. So let's start with the Icon 9-inch long nose slip joint pliers, 30 bucks. You know, these are great. I use these constantly. I have several pairs of them and I really like them. I also have the snap-on version. And honestly, if I don't look at the logo on it, I have a difficult time telling which is which. You know, are the snap-ons nicer? Maybe a tiny bit. Are the Harbor Freights going to be easier for me to warranty if I ever have an issue? I don't have a tool truck that comes to my place every week. Yes, Icon will be easier. And they're also significantly less expensive, less than half the price of the snap-ons. I think these are about 80 bucks. And then you have to, hunt down a truck or order them online. And if you order them online, you pay a pretty steep shipping fee as well, unless you order 250 bucks worth of snap-on items. So yeah, so the Icon long nose, worth the money, even at full price. I think these are definitely a buy. Up next, we have the semi-deep sockets, 40 bucks. I think these are also a great deal. The Icon sockets are really nice. Again, I have several different sets of Icon sockets, but I like these mid-length ones. And the reason that these, I think, are worth buying at full price are, first of all, they're fairly reasonable at 40 bucks. And secondly, there just aren't a lot of alternatives for mid-deep chrome-plated 3/8-inch sockets. The snap-ons are going to be astronomically more expensive, but these have, they have nice broaching. They have, they're really quite nice sockets. They have a tiny bit of knurling on them, and for 40 bucks, I find these mid-deeps are the perfect length. I tend to grab these first now. I don't grab a shallow, I don't grab a deep, I grab a mid. And if I know that I need a deep, maybe I'll grab a deep. If I have a clearance issue, maybe I'll grab a shallow. But these are my first grabs, typically in 3/8. So I think a buy at 40 bucks. Up next is the 1/4-inch Icon G2 flex head locking ratchet. I love these things. These are great. I like all the G2 ratchets, but a lot of them are quite long. And these locking flex head mechanisms, I have a Matco locking flex heads, which is a similar design. These are much smoother. These are 80 tooth, super smooth, very, very nice. Yeah, I really like these. So I think at 55 bucks, it's a little bit more than I'd like to pay for them, but still, I think even at full price, these are as good as really anything I've used. Matco, Mac, Snap-on. I really like these ratchets. I like them so much, in fact, that I bought a second one and I converted it to 3/8-inch drive because I think this is a perfect size for 3/8-inch drive. And I have a third one that I'm going to convert to a 1/4-inch hex. So I have like this gear wrench, 1/4-inch hex long locking flex head. But honestly, it's, the quality on it is so-so at best. I'd say it's poor, actually, poor quality. They're not very expensive. They look okay, but the ratchet mechanism that just doesn't feel good, and the flex head is, kind of flimsy, and I don't know. It's not a quality tool. And then I have these little Titan ones, which are actually higher quality, I think, than the gear wrench. Quite nice, but pretty small. So I think having a 1/4-inch hex driver in this body is going to be awesome. So you can do the same thing. You can buy the Snap-on Paul and anvil and drop it right into these. So it's on the way, and I plan on doing that. So 55 bucks, Icon 1/4-inch is a buy. Next up is the Icon 3/8-inch extension, 40 bucks. These are really high quality extensions. It's a full set, so you probably have a couple of extensions already. If you don't have a full set, it's nice to sometimes have all the sizes. And I really do like this one. Oh, got a Snap-on dropped in there. It's wrong wrong piece in this set. But it comes in this, you know, it's not a super high quality tray. Be nicer if it came in a little bit of a foam tray. But it works. I keep it in my toolbox, and it does the job. And at 40 bucks, they're pretty nice. They're pretty nice extensions. You know, I grabbed them without any concerns at all, and yeah, I like them quite a bit. Now, are they as nice as the Kokins? No. These are nicer, but they're also many times the price. The knurling is better on them. They have a little bit better finish, feel. You know, Icons are going to be a heck of a lot easier to warranty if you ever need to warranty them. So I think that these Icon extensions at 40 bucks, yep, if you don't have a full set of 3/8 inch extensions, grab them, even at full price. Next up are the Icon metric ratcheting combination wrenches, 10-piece. This is a relatively new pickup for me. I have several other sets of ratcheting combination wrenches, including some flexes. And I gotta say, I'm kind of blown away by these. They are super, super nice, really high quality. The ratchet mechanisms feel great. The beams feel great. They're a pretty long pattern wrench. And I just think they're awesome. Very, very impressed. I bought the regular ones. They come in either anti-slip or regular. I have other anti-slip wrenches. So for these, I just bought the regular. They're 10 bucks less at 165, 175. You know, again, if you can catch them on sale, awesome. But if you're looking for a metric set of combination wrenches with, you know, a switchable reverse, I think even at full price, these are very, very competitive with what else is out there. You know, again, are they as nice as a Snap-on? This is not a ratcheting, but nevertheless, are they as nice as a Snap-on? This set is, you know, 500 bucks more in Snap-on. So they're almost as nice, and they're a heck of a lot less expensive. And I really do like the switch. All my other ratcheting ones, almost all of them were, you know, the flip over style, which I never, you know, thought was a problem. But once I got these, I really did sort of learn to love that little reverse lever. So the Icon metric ratcheting combination wrenches. And the last one is the another set of Icon sockets. These are in 1/2 inch, the 1/2 inch deeps. And again, I just think that they're, you know, they're 60 bucks full price for a set, but really, really nice sockets, really nice sockets. And, you know, to buy a top quality set of 1/2 inch deep sockets is not inexpensive in some of the other top quality brands. And I think, you know, I have some Snap-ons as well. And I think that these, you know, these are pretty much 95% as nice as my Snap-ons and super easy to warranty. And I guess that's it. My honorable mention for buy it even at full price are these Icon magnetic mats. I really like these. I have a bunch of them, as you can see. I use them all the time. I use them for everything. I use them for putting parts on. I use them for putting hardware on. I use them for organizing things in my toolbox. You know, they originally were 20 bucks. Now they're 25 bucks. Even at full price, I think they're better than what's out there and cheaper than what's out there. So these are some Icon tools that I think are worth the money, even at full price. You know, the long nose, the G2 ratchets, only the G2, not a fan of the G1 ratchets. The Icon reversible ratcheting wrenches, the mid-deep sockets, and the extensions and the deep sockets. So that's Tools and Twisties. Let me know in the comments if you have any of these, if you think they're still worth buying at full price, if you're going to hold out for more Icon sales. Do you think Harbor Freight's going to keep doing great Icon sales, or, you know, is this January sort of showing what's to come in terms of Icon sales, and we're just not going to see some great sales this year? So Tools and Twisties, let me know in the comments what you think, and we are out.